We can classify AI into weak AI and strong AI. The weak AI is we do not expect more than what we direct to do. What it means is if I tell something to do, okay, go to that place and do that things, then it will do only the task. For example, take a iRobot vacuum cleaner to go and clean the room. It does only the task. It doesn't do any more than that. But as a human, if you see, if it is we are checking that it's plugged or unplugged, okay, it's a clean or it's a very clean, so that what we needed in the future. We don't have to instruct the vacuum cleaner to tell that okay whether it is cleaned or not cleaned, how you need to maintain. But the strong AI, it's a critical thinking. It thinks on itself and then it goes and it checks, okay, do I need to clean this house right now? Do I need to clean the carpet? Okay, I don't need to clean it now because I don't see any dust on the carpet. But if it sees anything on the carpet, then it does it. Otherwise, it checks preliminary maintenance way. Okay, it doesn't have any dust, but I need to clean either in the morning or in the evening regularly. So that is where we come into the strong AI. Strong AI is more on the critical thinking, but in the weak AI is actually we direct what we need to say. Let's take another example of weak AI and the strong AI. The weak AI robot, if I send it to a grocery store to buy some tomato, then it buys whatever I said. It buy only the tomato and it'll come to the home. But if the strong AI, what I would expect, okay, if it is going to the grocery market, if it is onion is the price is less, then it can expect to buy that as well. Or it has anything that it checks that it's a critical for that, then it can buy on its own. We expect more than what we need to do. That is what the strong AI comes in the picture.